Today we're showcasing the TDOS5-HL Occupancy Vacancy Sensor Switch. It's designed to provide energy-efficient lighting control with smart detection and learning features. Let's take a look at how to install and use it. This switch operates without a neutral wire, and a ground wire is optional. It supports up to 200 watts for tungsten loads and 150 watts for LEDs. The PIR sensor detects motion up to 40 feet across 1,200 square feet, making it ideal for residential and light commercial use. Always start by turning off power at the breaker. This device must be installed following NEC and local code guidelines. Use only copper wires rated for 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Carefully detach the existing switch and label the hot, load, and ground wires for clarity. Connect the hot and load wires to the corresponding terminals. If desired, connect the ground wire to the ground terminal, though it is not required for operation. Secure the switch into the box and restore power at the breaker. Now the device enters a 60-second warm-up mode. The LED indicator will flash to indicate system calibration. To fine-tune the switch's performance, open the front cover. Use the knobs to adjust time delay, 15 seconds to 30 minutes, and detection range, 30% to 100%. Default settings are 15 seconds and 65% range. Once you have reattached the cover and wall plate, you can switch between operating modes. Hold the program button for 3 seconds. 2 flashes indicates vacancy mode, manual on, auto off. 4 flashes indicates occupancy mode, auto on and off based on motion. In occupancy mode, lights turn on when motion is detected. In vacancy mode, lights must be turned on manually but shut off automatically after no activity is detected. The TDOS5-HL is a simple, efficient upgrade to your lighting control. With auto learning, multiple modes, and no neutral wire needed, it offers flexibility and convenience. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's built to perform.